Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Yoast SEO with Google Search Console, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Yoast SEO with Google Search Console, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Yoast SEO plugin in the left-hand menu. Click on SEO, then select General. In the General settings, locate the Webmaster Tools tab. You will see options for various webmaster services. Find the field for Google Search Console. Log into your Google Search Console account in a new tab. Select the property you want to authenticate with Yoast SEO. Click on Settings in the left sidebar of Google Search Console. Under Ownership Verification, look for the HTML tag option. Copy the provided HTML tag. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Paste the HTML tag into the Google Search Console field in Yoast SEO. After pasting, scroll down to save the changes. Go back to Google Search Console. Click on the Verify button. Once verified, you will see a confirmation message. Now, return to Yoast SEO and confirm that the authentication was successful. You have successfully authenticated Yoast SEO with Google Search Console. This connection allows you to access essential SEO insights for your site. Regularly check the Google Search Console for updates and performance metrics. You are now ready to enhance your website's SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.